Gen Z, Generation Zed. Idea pretty much came from my English class because I had to come up with like a thesis, which I had to focus on a specific direction and I had to choose it. And I decided to focus on our generation, which is Generation Z, and then and link into fashion. So my research in the English class was about fashion and the Gen Z. So it was pretty much how we see fashion today, even though I don't have like a very big, ideas on like, into the fashion industry and stuff like that, but I just love clothes and I like how styling and everything works. Anybody out there, looking at, where to study or, especially when you want to study in Germany, I would say look at BSBI Hamburg campus. We got great teachers who are really, really supportive in feedback and everything. It's a very good environment here.